Good evening all of you. My name is Abnil Gupta. Today I am present over here to give a presentation on topic anatomy of large intestine and its function. Large intestine. The large intestine is about 1.5 meter long, beginning at the cecum in the right iliac fossa and terminating at the rectum and anal canal. Its lumen is about 6.5 cm in diameter, larger than that of the small intestine. It forms an arc round the coiled up small intestine. जैसा कि आप इस फिगर में देख रहे हैं, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन 1.5 मीटर लॉन्ग होती है. इसकी जो स्टार्टिंग होती है वो सीकम से होती है, जो कि राइट इलियक फोसा के पास होती है, और इसका जो एंड पॉइंट होता है वो रेक्टम और एनल कैनाल होता है. इसकी जो ल्यूमेन होती है वो 6.5 सेंटीमीटर डायमीटर होती है, लार्जर देन डेट ऑफ द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, और ये आर्क फॉर्म करती है जो कि कॉइल्ड अप करती है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन को. फॉर डिस्क्रिप्टिव पर्पज द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू सीकम, कोलॉन, रेक्टम एंड एनल कैनाल. सो वी मूव ऑन सीकम. Cecum. This is the first part of the large intestine. It is a dilated region that has a blind end inferiorly and is continuous with the ascending colon superiorly. Just below the junction of the two, the ileocecal wall divergent from the ileum. The vermiform appendix, ये क्या होता है? ये मीनिंग वर्म होता है, वर्म लाइक होते हैं, एंड ऑफ्टन नोन सिंपली एज द अपेंडिक्स, इज अ फाइन ट्यूब क्लोज एट वन एंड which lead from the cecum. It is about 8 to 9 centimeter long and has the same structure as the wall of the large intestine but contain more lymphoid tissue. The appendix has no digestive function but can cause significant problem when it become inflamed. Colon. The colon has 4 parts which have the same structure and function. The ascending colon passes upward from the cecum to the level of the liver, where it curves acutely to the left at the hepatic flexure to become the transverse colon. The transverse colon extends across the abdominal cavity in front of the duodenum and the stomach to the area of the spleen, where it forms the splenic flexure and curve acutely downward to become the descending colon. The descending colon passes down the left side of the abdominal cavity, then curve toward the midline. At the level of the iliac crest, it is known as the sigmoid colon. Sigmoid colon is a S-shaped curve in the pelvic cavity that continue downward to become the rectum. रेक्टम की बात करेंगे अब. This is a slightly dilated section of the large intestine and is about 13 centimeter long. Its lead to form the sigmoid colon and terminate in the anal canal. This is a short passage about 3.8 centimeter long in the adult and lead from the rectum to the exterior. Two muscular sphincter control the anus. The internal sphincter consists of smooth muscles, is under the control of the anatomic nervous system, and the external sphincter formed by skeleton muscle is under voluntary control. इसकी फंक्शन की बात करेंगे लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन की, तो सबसे पहला फंक्शन आएगा एब्जॉर्प्शन. द कंटेंट ऑफ द इलियम दैट पासेस थ्रू द ileocecal amount of water has been absorbed in the small intestine. Valve into the cecum are still fluid even through a large In the large intestine, absorption of water by osmosis continue until the familiar semi-solid consistency of feces is achieved. Mineral salt, vitamin, and some drug are also absorbed into blood capillary from the large intestine. माइक्रोबियल एक्टिविटी भी आती है इसमें फंक्शन में. द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन इज हेवियली colonized by certain type of bacteria which synthesize vitamin K and folic acid. They include Escherichia coli, Enterobacter aeruginosa, Streptococcus faecalis, and Clostridium perfringens. These microbes are commensal, that is, are normally harmless in human. However, they may become pathogenic if transferred to another part of the body. For example, E. coli may cause cystitis if it gains access to the urinary bladder. Gases in the bowel consist of some of the constituent of air, mainly nitrogen, soiled with food and drink. Hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and methane are produced by bacterial fermentation of unabsorbed nutrient, especially carbohydrate. Gases pass out of the bowel as fetus. मास मूवमेंट की बात करेंगे. द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन डज नॉट एग्जिबिट पेरिस्टाल्टिक मूवमेंट. मास मूवमेंट एज डू अदर पार्ट ऑफ द डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक्ट ओनली एट फेयरली लॉन्ग इंटरवल 4 to 6 times a day in adult. Waves of strong peristalsis steps along the transverse colon, forcing its content into the descending and sigmoid colon. This is known as mass movement, and it is often precipitated by the entry of food into the stomach. This combination of stimulus and response is called the gastrocolic reflex. Defecation की बात करेंगे. The rectum is usually empty, but when a mass movement defecation forces the content of the sigmoid colon into the rectum, the nerve ending in its wall are stimulated by stretch. In infant, defecation occurs by reflex involuntary action. However, during the second or third year of life, children develop voluntary control of bowel function. In practical terms, this acquired voluntary control means that the brain can inhibit the reflex until it is convenient to defecate. The external anal sphincter is under conscious control through the pudendal nerve. Thus, defecation involves involuntary contraction of the muscle of the rectum and reflection of the internal anal sphincter. Contraction of the abdominal muscles and lowering of the diaphragm during a forced expiration. Valsalva mansure increase the intra-abdominal pressure and so assist defecation. When it need to pass feces in is voluntarily postponed, it tend to fade until the next mass movement occur and the reflex is initiated again. Repeated suppression of the reflex may lead to constipation, hard feces, as more water is absorbed. Constituents of feces. The feces consist of a semi-solid brown mass The brown color is due to the presence of steatobilin. Even though absorption of water takes place in the small and large intestine, water still make up about 60 to 70% of the weight of the feces. The remainder consists of fiber, indigestible cellular plant and animal material, dead and live microbes, epithelial cells shed from the wall of the tract, fatty acids, mucus secreted by the epithelial lining of the large intestine. Mucus help to lubricate the feces and an adequate amount of dietary fiber, mainly non-starch polysaccharide (NSPs), and commonly known as RAFE, ensure that the content of the large intestine are sufficiently bulky to stimulate defecation. Thank you.